Wow. Gluten free, okay, which is all for me. All natural, vegan, and GMO. I mean, it don't get no better than this. Come on now. And it's a whole truck. Do y'all see this? It's a whole truck. I am Derrick Downey Jr. Some of y'all know that. Most of y'all probably don't know. Guess what? I have here Dreamy Creation Sweet Happiness. It's a cupcake batter, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me play with this real quick. That's a train. I'm about to preheat the oven, okay? So let's go over here real quick. Preheat on 350. All right? Let's bring this over here. And what we're gonna do is grab this. And there we go. 1, 2, 3. Need 1/4 cup of oil, okay? I got that here. Now we about to turn it on. So you put that up in there like that. And then you need 1 cup of water, 1 cup and 1/4 cup of water. So we about to add that. Ooh, with the lean. Now we got our water in the mix. Now I need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We're gonna add another one. And that's it. Just 3 ingredients to make this mix. And we're gonna let this for about 3 minutes, okay? Now this thing is still mixing. We got just about a few more seconds left. But listen, y'all. Did y'all notice something about this box? You got a toy that they can play with now, okay? This truck goes all around. Goes all around, goes all around. All right, that's a little toy. That's so sweet. Bringing happiness in the batter, in the cupcakes, and in the box. All right, now we about to put these bad boys in the oven where they belong. Their original home, okay? Let's do these. Look at this. They come out perfect. Golden. Look at the top. Look at the top of these cupcakes. Oh my God, you know they about to be good. Come on. Look at this. Look at how it's golden, crispy at the top. Oh my God, I can tell they moist. I'm about to introduce, well not introduce, I'm already introduced her. Jen, come here. Okay. She gonna help me ice these things because I don't think I'm really good at this.
You got it.
All right now.
I'll do it with you.
Okay.
So we'll just kind of like, just decorate, squeeze, 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 and stop. Perfect. And then just go, oh yeah. Ah! It looks like a rose.